I'm out here at the gun range today. You know, we had some old monitors and computers over at DSN, and well, we had no use for them, so we decided that we'd do a little practice today. And check it out, huh? Put some bullet holes. And that one there. I got a few here. Look at this old monitor that used to be on the desk at the front desk. Oh, look at that. Some, whoops, some computer stuff we used to have here at DSN. And we gonna get rid of it real good out here in redneck country in Arizona. Gotta get back to it, gang. Take care.